Today's video, we're taking a look at an altcoin, Firo. Firo is currently ranked number 310 on CoinMarketCap. In the last 1 year, it has gone as high as $11.98 and as low as $1.18. Currently, Firo is trading for $5.78. In this video, we're taking a look at the Firo US dollar price chart from 2016 till 2022. We're also looking at Firo's performance against Bitcoin, Firo's performance against Ethereum, and also looking at the Firo market cap chart. How low will it go in the bear market? Should be accumulating some through the bear market. And the last 1 week, Firo has had crazy pumps. That's pumped over 400%. It is the start of something big for Firo. Should we accumulate some right now? How low can it go in the bear market? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, if you're new to this channel and you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification. You won't get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get down to business. Guys, at the point of recording this video, in the last 1 year, Firo is up 24%. In the last 1 month, it's up 327%. In the last 1 week, it's up 277%. We're having a rally in the altcoin market right here. Firo is included in that rally. You can see that Firo is actually pumping really hard, and the altcoin market is having a relief rally. Will this be the start of something crazy? Does this mean that all season is happening? You can see that in the coins that are performing well, in the top 300 coins, Firo is the king right now. It's up 281% just in the last 1 day. This is the Firo US dollar price chart from 2016 when it was launched till 2022. So we have more than 5 years worth of price history for Firo. We have seen what Firo has done in the bear market. We have seen what it has done in the bull run. Now we're seeing it in another bear market. From 2016 when it was launched right here, it had a crazy dump. It dumped 96%, just like a lot of these tokens when they are launched. After the launch, they have crazy dumps because the people that got the airdrops literally just dumped them. So they dumped 96% from when they were launched, and then when the bull run came, when the market went to easy mode, Firo pumped over 55,000% in just barely a year. Crazy returns, but guys, with every crazy pumps come crazy dumps. That's why you want to be careful with these altcoins during the bear market. And Firo dumped really hard during the bear market. He found his bottom during the COVID sell-off after losing another 98% of his value. So this was the second 98% dump on Firo. We had the first one right here. After it was launched in 2016, we had a 98% dump right here. We had another 98% dump during the bear market of 2017. And finally, Firo found his bottom in 2020. And then when the market went back to easy mode, Firo pumped, but it couldn't go back to its previous all-time high. The previous all-time high for Firo was around $154. It bottomed right here at $2.2, 98% from the all-time high. When the bull market came back, Firo couldn't really pump to new all-time highs. It just got to as high as $22, which represented a 900 to 1,000% pump. Yes, that's a good pump, but that was nothing to write home about compared to the 2017 pump. And right now, the market is very bearish, and we are seeing Firo dumping again, just like in the past. Pharaoh showed us that when the market is dumping, it dumps with the market, but when the market is pumping, yes, it pumps. The last bull run, it didn't outperform the market, which was very disappointing. Right now, Pharaoh is down 95% from the high set in 2021, and from the all-time high in 2017, it's still really down bad. It lost over 99% of its value. But in the last 1 month, something crazy is happening in Pharaoh. Pharaoh just started pumping out of nowhere. This is the weekly chart of Pharaoh against the US dollar. You can see that in the last 1 week, it has recovered all the losses it made in 2022. And that's the crazy thing about crypto. We can be in a downtrend for months and months on end, and then boom, out of the blue, you can just see crazy pump. Pharaoh went from as low as $1.2 on the 27th of June 2022 to as high as $6 in just 21 days, and that represented a 382% pump. And just like that, all the losses we made in 2022 on Pharaoh has been negated. So how low will it go in the bear market? Is the bottom in? Are we going to ever get a chance to buy Pharaoh at $1.2 again, or will this candle just continue going up in a straight line? Guys, always remember, the faster the candle goes up in a straight line, the harder it's going to dump when it's coming down. Yes, nothing goes up in a straight line. You don't want to FOMO and buy all these cryptos at the top. You had the opportunity to get some Pharaoh at $1.2 just some few days ago, and a lot of people didn't take the opportunity. Right now, it's pumping to the moon. A lot of people want to buy. Just remember that from the high reset in 2021, from where Pharaoh is right now, around $5.7, $5.8, Pharaoh still has over 277% to get to that high we set in 2021. And from that high we set in 2021 to the all-time high, Pharaoh has to pump another 688%. So from where we are right now, that's from $5.78. For Pharaoh to get to a new all-time high, we have to see it pump over 700% for it to get to a new all-time high. Do you think that's happening anytime soon without any correction? Only time will tell. For Pharaoh to get to a new all-time highs from where we are right now, we have to see Pharaoh pump over 2,600%. Yes, a very, very long way, but we have to look out to Bitcoin. Bitcoin has to show us the way, and this is an abnormally Pharaoh pumping this kind of crazy pump in one candle. You can see that since when Pharaoh was launched, the only time Pharaoh had this kind of crazy pump was after the day it was launched, and it had a crazy pump to the upside. It pumped over 1,500%. Will this be the end of this rally? Where will you be getting some Pharaoh in the bear market? I'll come back to get it around this $1.2 if price get back to this level. Worst case scenario to get some Pharaoh to the bear market might be this 0.3 level. I might not look possible right now that Pharaoh might drop back to 0.3 level. It means Pharaoh will have to lose another 93% of its value. But guys, don't forget, we are deep in the bear market. And in the bear market, all coins are very, very risky. Let's look at what Pharaoh is before we can see where we can get some in the bear market. Pharaoh is formerly known as Zcoin. It's a cryptocurrency that focuses on being private digital cash. It creates the Lelantus privacy protocol, which allows users to burn their coins and redeem them later for brand new ones that do not have any transaction history. Where can you get some Pharaoh? If you want to get some through the bear market, you can get it on Binance, on Git.io, on Hugo Global, on Waziri, on PancakeSwap, and anywhere you get your favorite altcoins. Now, how is Pharaoh performing against Bitcoin? And Pharaoh is really performing well against Bitcoin in the last 1 month, and this crazy mad candle we had to the upside. You can see that in the last 1 month, Pharaoh outperformed Bitcoin by more than 500%. Crazy, crazy return. Pharaoh is exactly where it was right now against Bitcoin on the 10th of May 2021. That's at the top of the market. Should you be getting some Pharaoh right now? Guys, that will not be advisable. Anytime you see this kind of long, crazy green candle with this kind of volume, except for have this kind of volume, it just signifies that something happened. Maybe it's a pump and dump. Only time you tell whether it's a pump and dump. Pharaoh's market cap grew from as low as $12 million to as high as $66 million in the space of few hours. Will it continue going high into the sky? We're looking at the Pharaoh market cap chart very, very quickly. But we can see that Pharaoh is way, way off its all-time high against Bitcoin. For Pharaoh to break to a new all-time high against Bitcoin, we have to see it pump over 4,400%. Is that possible? Only time will tell. After Pharaoh was launched here against Bitcoin, to steadily be losing value against Bitcoin, it lost more than 99.60% of its value against Bitcoin, and boom, out of the blues, look at Pharaoh pumping over 500% against Bitcoin in barely a month. And these altcoins are very, very risky during the bear market, but you can see them pump to the upside like this, and don't get caught by this candle thinking to just continue going up in a straight line. At some point in time, it's going to consolidate like this, probably setting a new all-time low. Only time will tell you. If we'll probably set a new all-time low. How is Pharaoh performing against Ethereum, the #1 altcoin in the market? In the last 1 month, it's actually performing really well. Crazy, crazy pumps coming out of Pharaoh. The bottom for Pharaoh against Ethereum came in here on the 9th of May 2022. Is Pharaoh telling us what will happen to the rest of the altcoins? Pharaoh has outperformed Ethereum by over 600% in barely 2 months. And should we be buying some Pharaoh right now? Pharaoh has gotten back to the level where it was at the top of the market in March 2021 when Ethereum was trading for over $4,000. And you can see that Pharaoh is back to that level. Are we going to get rejected by this level back into Goblin Town, or are we going to break into new highs? But for Pharaoh to get into new highs and set new all-time highs on is Ethereum pairing, we have to see Pharaoh pump from where we are right now. It has to have an additional over 10,000% pump. Is that possible? Probably. Is that happening anytime soon? I don't think so. But only time we tell right now, guys. You want to be careful with these altcoins. So drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me, where will you be getting some Pharaoh through the bear market? Even on the Pharaoh market cap chart, you can see that Pharaoh's market cap had a huge pump from having a market capitalization of around $16 to $15 million in 11th of July 2022. Right now, at the point of recording this video, on 14th of July 2022, you can see that Pharaoh is already up over 600%. The market cap has jumped to over $640 million. The market cap of Pharaoh from 2016 till 2022, you can see that when Pharaoh was launched right here, it had a little dip, but since then the market cap has been rising from having a market cap of less than $1 million. At the height of the bull run in 2017, Pharaoh had a market cap of over $5.4 billion. But since then, Pharaoh has not been able to get to that high in its market cap valuation. Pharaoh has been dumping, and Pharaoh actually dumped really hard during the bear market. Market cap in the bear market of $22 million. Right now, during the bear market of 2022, we came back to that region. We tested that region, and you can see that Pharaoh has had a crazy pump out of there. Is this the end of the bear market for Pharaoh? Are we going to see Pharaoh start performing well during the bear market? Will it start outperforming Bitcoin and Ethereum? Only time will tell if this rally will be sustainable, but history has shown that anytime you see any long candle like this, most times it's not sustainable. We might just see it turn over on itself and continue crashing. But you don't want to fade momentum. Something really made Pharaoh to pump. I checked out their website. They have a really cool website. Privacy is consent. Pharaoh is a privacy preserving cryptocurrency and ecosystem. You can check them out. I will put a link in the description. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Will you be getting some Pharaoh anytime soon? Will you be flipping your Bitcoin or your Ethereum for some Pharaoh? As you can see that Pharaoh is actually outperforming Bitcoin and Ethereum in the short term. How low will Pharaoh go in the bear market? Will it continue going high? Is the bottom in? Only time will tell. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.